Check. So everyone over here, I request you all to kindly take your seats because we are going to start with our event. I request you all to kindly take your seats. Request people at the back to kindly take their seats. Okay, so very good evening, everyone. My name is Shreya, and I'm your host for today's evening, and I welcome you all to Zoomline India Customer Meet 2024. So it gives me immense pleasure to host this wonderful evening with such beautiful faces and intelligent minds in this room. So can we have a huge round of applause for yourselves first? Yes, that's amazing. So it's a pleasure to have you all gathered here today for this special occasion. Before we begin, let's commence with a beautiful diya lighting ceremony signifying the illumination of our path towards success and progress. And for the diya lighting ceremony, I would like to call on stage Mr. Paras, Business Head, Tower Train Region. So with a huge round of applause, can we welcome Mr. Paras on the stage. And to join Mr. Paras, I would request Mr. Pramod Joshi from Aluwalia Contracts to kindly come on the stage. Can we have some more thunderous clap? Come on. Yes, the evening has just started, so energy level should be higher. Okay, and I would also like to call on stage Mr. Prashant from Prashant Logistics. And next, I would like to call on stage Mr. Piyush Joshi from Parishi Construction. So we have all our special guests over here on the stage, and we will go ahead with the diya lighting ceremony.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा
Talia Bajai. Yes. So with this diya lighting ceremony, we start our event officially. So thank you all of you over here on the stage for participating in this auspicious ceremony. Now let's move forward with our program. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. So once again, a very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, clients and partners joining us today from various parts of the globe. Your presence here is truly valued and appreciated. This gathering marks a significant milestone in our journey together. Next up, let's delve into the world of Zoomline tower cranes with a captivating video. So can we have the video on the screen, please? Wow, what an incredible display of engineering prowess. Now, that's amazing. I'm pretty sure you enjoyed the video. So, to provide you with a deeper insight into our groundbreaking tower crane technology, let's now watch a captivating video presentation that showcases its remarkable features and capabilities. Can we have another video on the screen, please?
In recent years, with the change
आप लोगों की खूबसूरती देख के स्क्रीन हैंग हो गया.
In recent years, with the change of the construction machinery industry development, Zoomlion has accelerated the transformation and upgrades to high-end intelligence and greenization. Overall strength, world-leading. Through global operations, Zoomlion has ranked number 1 in global tower crane manufacturers list for many consecutive years, and is now the global leader in brand value, market share, and sales revenue. The ISO TC96 Secretariat of the International Organization for Standardization Crane Technical Committee settled in Zoomlion since 2012, marking that the leading position of Zoomlion tower crane in international standards has been recognized by the industry. Zoomlion has the world's largest tower crane intelligent factory and 8 manufacture bases around the world, which can guarantee an annual output of 20,000 tower cranes and 10,000 elevators, marking the leading position of Zoomlion tower crane in production capacity and delivery. Technical accumulation, abundant. In 1956, China's first tower crane with independent intellectual property rights was born in Zoomlion. We have been focusing on tower crane design and manufacturing for nearly 70 years. More than 200,000 tower cranes have been delivered, and more than 1.5 million tower crane construction cases are accumulated. With a long history of development and profound technology accumulation, Zoomlion has boosted and witnessed the development and rise of the global tower crane industry. In the application fields of super high-rise buildings, bridges, stadiums, thermal power, hydropower, wind power, etc., we have sufficient solutions for complex and changeable operation environments, such as high temperature, extremely cold, high ocean corrosion, high speed and high frequency hoisting, group tower operations, etc. Our product range is complete. Operation speed of passenger hoist varies from 50 meters per minute to 90 meters per minute. Luffing crane covering 125 ton meter to 3,350 ton meter. Flat top tower crane covering 80 ton meter to 20,000 ton meter, and has been prepared for the technical design and manufacturing preparation for 100,000 ton meter class. Technology level, most advanced. As a leader in the tower crane industry, Zoomlion always adheres to the product concept of high-end intelligence and greenization, and leads the industry trend. Through acquisition of German Jost Technology and Wilbert Tower Crane Company, Zoomlion has laid out the development of global cutting-edge technology in advance, and has formed a unique tower crane technology style through independent innovation. Our product technology is at the forefront of the world. High-end includes 3 connotations: high security level, high lifespan, high quality. Zoomlion's all-series tower cranes have now achieved all area safety, with anti-overload, anti-impacting, anti-collision, anti-anchor, anti-skid hook, anti-typhoon, and other safety features. Through high-precision machining tower section, electrophoresis coating, and other technology, Zoomlion tower crane has the advantage of long lifespan and is leading the development of high-end industry. Zoomlion tower crane is also the only manufacturer in China using machining after welding process for fish plate tower section. Level 7 accuracy is guaranteed by using special machine tool, so the main cord and face can fully fit. which completely solved the difficulty of tower pin dismantling and extended the lifespan of Fishplay Tower section. In terms of intelligence, through remote management and ad hoc network technology, our products can achieve remote debugging, remote security inspection, remote health supervision, etc., making our equipment management more intelligent. In terms of greenization, with the application of modular design, Zoomlion has no more than 4 types of standard mast for medium and small tower crane under 370-ton meter and only 3 models of main cord for large tower crane of over 450-ton meter. Zoomlion realizes the universality of the tower section through mobile counterweight design, ranging from 12,000-ton meter to 20,000-ton meter. Our tower sections are extremely modularized, and the utilization efficiency of customer assets is greatly improved. Service response, rapid. To provide customers with more rapid service response, Zoomlion has established a complete global network of sales and service. At present, Zoomlion has established over 30 subsidiaries, 17 service centers, 10 global factories, and 275 branch offices all over the world. Zoomlion has formed an overseas localized mode of iron triangle formed by sales representatives, technical solution teams, and service engineers, so that we can provide customers with the most rapid and considerable overall product solutions. With the 3-level system of overseas branch company warehouse, China harbor-based warehouse, and long periodic material inventory, we provide customers with the fastest delivery. Zoomlion all-series tower cranes are highly modularized and technical style are unified. Through concise training courses of product operation and maintenance, customers can fully comprehend one for all. Zoomlion is always by your side. In the new journey, Zoomlion will promote China's tower crane technology to the world and contribute more to the construction of global infrastructure. Together towards tomorrow, we are full of confidence. In the ever-evolving global market, we will continue to focus on our customers and provide better products and faster services. Through continuous innovation, Zoomlion will bring more surprises to the global tower crane industry and create a brighter future together with you.
Wow, what an amazing video. I hope you found this presentation to be inspiring and enlightening. So yes, we will proceed further, and now it's time for us to recognize and acknowledge all our esteemed guests today. So yes, I would like to take out the names of all the esteemed guests who are present with us today and would like to express our gratitude towards your valuable presence. So from Ahluwalia Contracts, we have Mr. Pramod Joshi. From Orange Machine Tech, we have Mr. Rohit Bhatki, Mr. Atul, and Mr. Avneet. From Singhani Creators, we have Mr. Nitin and Mr. Jitendra. From Sri Enterprises, we have Mr. Jignesh Patel. From CC Infra, we have Mr. Prakash Chopra. From DK Enterprises, we have Mr. Darshan Patel. From Paradise Corporation, we have Mr. Dhiren Limavani. From West Desk Buildcon, we have Mr. Bharat and Mr. Saurabh. From Spartan Engineering, we have Mr. Rajiv and Mr. Sanjay Pawar. From HT Enterprise, we have Mr. Arvind and Mr. Deepak. From Electromech, we have Mr. Navnath and Mr. Kedar. From Prashant Logistics, we have Mr. Prashant. From Kalpana Struct, we have Mr. Jagdish. From Gajanan Enterprises, we have Mr. Dhairya Patel. Sri Gajanan Enterprise is also here with us. From Kodal Construction, we have Mr. Jack. From Parishi Construction, we have Mr. Piyush Joshi. From Tapam Infrastructure, we have Mr. Kishore. From Nirvana Civil Art, we have Mr. Pratik. From Gayatri Enterprises, we have Mr. Mayank. From Puneet Group, we have Mr. Ojas Patel. From Lakshmi Narayan Construction, we have Mr. Kadam. From the Krun, we have Mr. Raj. From Bitush and Rajiv, we have Mr. Biplav Bishash. From Snow White, we have Mr. Bashir. From SEC Paradise, we have Mr. Hitesh. And from Sai, Tapasvi Builder, we have Mr. S.K. Verma. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए खुद के लिए because Zoomline India has reached this height only because of your support and loyalty towards us. So we are very, very grateful to each and every one of you over here. So yes, now it's time for some presentations, and for that, let's delve deeper into the world of tower crane with presentations. First, I would like to call on stage Miss Rachna with the tower crane introduction. Zota talia ho jaye. Let's welcome her on the stage with a huge round of applause. सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे आप लोगों की तालियां एकदम सुनाई नहीं दी. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you are having a great time over here. So I'm Rachna from Zoomline India Sales Department, and today I will be giving you an overview of our company. So Zoomline India was founded in the year 2006, but where it started? Zoomline company was founded in the year 1992, and today it has been catering into various important sectors. It's into construction equipment, agriculture machinery, and also giving various high-tech equipments. Today, Zoomland covers 13 product categories, 101 product series, and 715 varieties. Zoomland is also registered in the Shenzhen and Hong Kong stock market. Zoomland has also registered capital of 1.1 billion. Zoomland has a leading R&D strength. It has over 20,000 employees. Not only this, Zoomline has a secretarial unit of ISO TC96, which is basically a technical committee which caters to the requirements of tower crane, mobile crane, and various concrete products. What are 5 strategic business sectors? First, the Zoomline construction machinery. Second, the agricultural machinery. Third, the Z Valley OS, which is basically an IT operation system. Fourth, the Neo material. And fifth, the financial services. Moving ahead to the Zoomland vision. Zoomland has a vision to build a world-class enterprise in equipment manufacturing through industrialization, globalization, and industrial advancement. So, not only tower crane, Zoomland caters to a variety of product lines, starting from mobile crane, foundation, tower cranes, concrete products, earth moving, AWP, and firefighter equipment. Moving ahead to the Zoomland India at a glance. Zoomland entered in the Indian market in the year 2006. With every passing year, the turnover of Zoomland company is growing. In India, in the last year, we had achieved around 1,000 plus crores. It has also high-tech equipment of 2,000 plus. We have 9 plus branch offices in the various tier cities of India. We have 29 service points to serve our customers in a better way in terms of services and variety of spare parts. We have local staff of 250 plus. In every passing day, we are increasing our officers in our service points and also in terms of our employee strength. Not only this, I'm very happy to announce that Zoomland has invested around $1 million for the setting up of new plant in Pune. Also, all these operations are systematized through various technical systems like SAP, CRM, and Zoomland Lim system. as you can see, we started in the year 2006, and with each and every passing year, the Zoomlight business is growing, and we are able to achieve these targets only with the help of our customers. Moving ahead with the sales network. As I mentioned, we are in the multiple pan-India tier cities. We have an office in Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi, Rajasthan, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Orissa. Also, we have four product branches: Tower Crane, Concrete, Earth Moving, AWP. Moving ahead with the service network. So as we know, like whenever we are supplying the products to the customers, so it doesn't end there. We need to ensure that we deliver them the best services in terms of the machine repair, in terms of spare parts. So this is what we have. We have 29 service branches and 8 warehouses, which ensures us that we can meet the ever increasing demands of our customers and we can supply them with the best of the products. So this is a yard facility. We have a yard in Mumbai, we have a yard in Delhi, we have a yard in Kolkata, and we have multiple yards in the city. We have also taken one yard which covers around 40,000 meters square, which can accompany around 300 plus machines and also 20 plus crore spare parts. So these, as we can see, the numbers are huge, and this doesn't end here. We are going to increase this much more in the coming year. So this is the overview of the machines. So we had delivered around 220 plus units only in the Tower Crane in the last year. So these are various products, and we must have delivered these products to many of you, and we hope that you are happy with those products. So as we can see, the T1200-64Q, this is a Tower Crane super tonnage model, and this particular model we have delivered around 2 units in the various regions. So this particular product is currently engaged in the government railway project in the Chandigarh and the Mumbai region. So as I mentioned that we are setting up our business, we are going to operate a business in Pune, and we are promoting localization, the Made in India government project. So for that, this localization, we will be producing tower cranes, trailer pumps, truck pumps, and crawler cranes. So this is some of the glimpse of the Expon event which happened last year, and many of our customers from the tower crane segment has attended this event, and we were very happy that we were able to encourage you to visit us, and you had made us that event really successful for us. Also, we are promoting the development of our team because we believe that the learning never ends, right? So we encourage the training facility for many of our employees in terms of service training, manufacturing training, sales training, and new employee training. This is a new factory construction in Pune, which we are going to operate the operations in the coming year. So we have taken an area of 154,000 meters square, and we are very happy to announce that we will be soon operating the operations in this year in the September month. So as you can see, in the current year, the turnover is 2,000 plus crores, and currently we are aiming to increase our staff to 400 plus global staff. Also, in the 2025, we are expecting to increase our turnover to 3,500 crores with more our local staff. And definitely in 2026, we have a vision to complete around 5,000 plus crores with 2,000 plus employees. And definitely this won't be possible with the help of your support. And we really believe that the customers are the king of the market. So we are very happy that you have associated with us, and we hope that you will be associated us with the future. We create together, we witness together. So as I just mentioned, It's all because of your support. So definitely we will witness this growth together, and really hoping that we can, and we and you and everyone can accomplish their targets in the future. So that's all for today, and I hope you will have a wonderful evening ahead. And yeah, so thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rachna, for this insightful presentation. I hope you all liked it. So moving ahead, let's learn more about the SKT models with the help of a presentation. And to present it, may I call on stage Mr. Amol Nirgaude. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome him on the stage. We have Mr. Amol Nirgaude.
Good evening, everyone. Uh, Good evening, everyone. So, welcome our Zoomline honorable guest and my colleague for the customer meet of Tower Crane 2024. And as of now, Rachna has introduced about the Zoomland, what Zoomland is doing, and how we are growing day by day into the Indian market. So I will just introduce about some Tower Crane SKD new models which we have introduced into the market, and that will be catered to into the Indian market. And I hope actually the all the models are already launched into the India 3 to 4 months back, and most of our customers like you are already using these products into your prestigious site. So I will just showcase the models and the specifications and some of the features. For that, why Zoomline is different than the other products, and what is the difference in the new model compared to the old model. So currently in 2024, we have launched a new model of a W5013 that will be that will replicate our old model, that is a TC5013-5A crane. So it comes into the 50-meter boom with the freestanding height of 40 meter, and the capacity will be the 5 ton. Mass size will be the same, so 1.6 by 1.6 by 2.8. We have two segments for this, the external crane and the internal crane. Right now, we are just introduced our external crane into the market, and a new internal crane will be the launch into the second half of the year. So we hope that that crane will also enter into the market very soon, and you can have the new crane into the market. Again, our new running hot model is W96A. That is also 56-meter boom with the 1 ton lifting load capacity with the same mass, that is 1.6 by 1.6 by 2.8. We have one more model, that is a 6010 with a 60-meter boom, and that is comes with the 1 ton load capacity at 30 page, and that comes into 6 ton. So recently we have started to come up with the 5 ton and 6 ton model. So right now we have only one 5 ton model, that is a 5013 W5013 flat top. So all these model will be available into the flat top only. We have stopped the hammerhead. Currently, we have the TC5013-5G that is running into the market, but after 3 to 4 months, that will be not into the market, and we will be proceeding with the new internal tower crane, that is the W5013-5G. So in the Pune factory, actually, we are manufacturing around we are manufacturing 5 ton to 8 ton capacity crane. And once our new factory will be coming to Pune, then 16 ton and 25 ton crane also will be manufactured into the Pune itself. So why? Why actually? What are the changes which we have made into our models, and what are the specifications which we are using? So that is actually you can check that Zoomland have a strongest product intelligence. So the cabin, the new cabin for the W96A, W6010, and the 6015, that is all integrated with the cockpit. Electronic control cabinet is also there itself, and all cabins will be coming with the AC, inbuilt AC that will be coming from the Pune factory itself. We are more focused on the design and the technology basically because we hope that these will be the key parameters that we will be taking ahead into the torque industry, and that will serve in the long term. So we are more focused about the new design, new technology, and the new craft. So you can see the difference between our old models as well as the new models. Also, if you check the other competitor cranes, so there will be, you can see the difference between our cabin, our hoisting mechanism, also as well as our painting system. So right now, the hoisting mechanism which we are using, that is integrated, integrated into that is we are using the planetary gearbox for that, and the integrated cabin with the attached living mechanism that we are using. So all our cabins which are coming with the new models, that is SLI implemented already. SLI is already installed into the cabin. So that is all models with SLI monitor. W5013 will be not having the that will be having the only display, but there will be the no load sensor attached to it. But okay, yeah, definitely for the W6010 and W96A, we will be having the SLI itself, inbuilt SLI. So you can check the joystick, that is some humanization joystick has given, the canvas control and the warning lightning has given. That is a smart function which are given to our joystick. So there will be a more human touch to the operator for that joystick which you are using. That will be user friendly to all the operators, and that will be long lasting. So for the tower crane, main component into the tower crane is a electrical component. So we have replaced our old PLC system with the new tower controller that is serves the high speed computing, powerful data processing capabilities, powerful communication, and that all comes with the CAN bus communications. So CAN bus is a technology basically which is adopted into all the manufacturing segment of the automotive industry. This is the first time Zoomlion has introduced this CAN bus system into the tower crane that will be used, making smooth operation between your electrical controllers and the electrical component which you are using for the tower crane. Also, we have replaced our old VFDs with the inbuilt VFDs. That is a combined VFD, that is CAN bus control, common DC for all the VFDs, rectifier unit and the inverter unit combined into the whole. The bus voltage management is uniformly carried out by the rectifier. So what was the difference between the old VFD and the new VFD? The old VFD has a technology of IO signal control. Arc inverter has been independent DC bus. Each inventory frequency is converter and independent individual. So this is the main key parameters which we have changed for all our VFDs. So the VFD will be coming up with the Innovance brand or the maybe Schneider brand, but most of the tower crane have the Innovance brand in VFDs. Also, we have changed our limit switches, the load limiter, and the moment limit sensor. So these are some key parameters and the key components which are going to affect your crane life, also the working of the crane. That is the main important thing into the crane life. So these if you check these things, this looks very small. Okay, if you are changing, if you are customer and if you say that okay, these changes are very small, but these small changes will affect your crane life and the durability and the lifespan of a crane. Also, the function of a crane that will be depend on your limit switches, your event limiter, and the moment limiter. This will be the safety devices which we will be using, and it will be in the long term that will be beneficial for your operator as well as for the lifespan of a crane. So our main strength of what the lies in the Zoomlion that will come with the external mass that is 1.6 by 1.6 by 2.8 mass. The material for which we are using is a square tube that is 135 size by 135 by 10 and the 12 which is not available into the Indian market. So this still we are importing directly from the China because we don't want to compromise over the quality and we don't want to make our mask into the angle steel which most of the people are doing. So we are importing this square tube directly from the China and right now we have different combination for the mask like E2, EQ7, EQ8 and the EQ10. So W5013-5A crane, we are using the base mass section of EQ10. So W5013-5A, that specification of that crane is that if you wanted to have a more freestanding height, that is 48.5, so you can go directly with the 48.5 meter freestanding height. So that for that only the you have to check with the you have to buy a new EQ7 3 mask that 3 numbers quantity and your freestanding height will be 48.5. Rest of the cranes have the 40.1 meter freestanding height. The W5013 comes with the 48.5 meter height. That will be the optional. If customer wants to go with the 48.5 meter height, that option can be provided to the customer. But currently the standard size is 40.1 meter only. Also, for our internal crane, we are using the angle mast, that is the 160 angle, which is not available into the Indian market. So that angle also we are manufacturing into our China factory and also sending to the India. So currently we have started to production for that angle mast also in our Pune factory. And once our new factory will be operational, so all these mast and will be manufactured in the Pune itself. We have changed some small changes into our ladder and the platform. From the operator's comfort point of view and the safety point of view, we are given the incline ladder to all our new marts that most of the people which most of the recently last month the crane which are delivered to the customer that are already getting the incline ladder mast and these masts are easily changeable. You can easily transfer your old mast with the new mast. So it is easy for the operator for the climbing, and this has been done with the lots of research. This has been done with the lots of research, communication with the operator. After that, we have changed the decision, and right now the mast has been launched into the market. So from here onwards, from the next month, so whoever will be buying the cranes and the incline ladder mast will be receiving to them. So you can that will be the easy transfer. So this is not like you don't have to worry that what we need to do about our old mark. So this is the easy transfer. Only there will be a small ladder which will be coming. So you can directly transfer your old ladder into the new old mask into the new mask. So that will be not worried that what we will do with our old mask. Also, we are more focused on our product quality. So you can check in every stage that we are just by very small things we are thinking, and we are also checking this stainless steel platform which are given to the counter chip because most of times we have found it that there will be the damage of the platform on the counter chip because most of the operator while installing the crane will be operating over there on the counter chip itself. So currently we are changing our counter chip platform. All the platforms are coming with the stainless steel. All the galvanized platforms are coming with the tower crane. So I will introduce about the production capacity, how we have moved from year 2022 to year 2024 and what will be our new planning. So in year 2022, actually we have started the direct sales. Initially we were doing it with our dealer, but since year 2022, we have started the direct sales from the March 2022. So in that actually initially we have achieved around 62 numbers of tower crane from the Pune factory. After that, in year 2023, that was an exponentially growth, and we have achieved the 169 numbers of tower crane. And also in this year, we will be achieving the target of 350 numbers of tower crane. So how we can do it? So we are more focused on the quality, and each and every stage the quality has been inspected by our quality engineers. So this will be our new factory setup. So this factory will be launched in the year in the same year, like September 2024, we will be launching our factory. and from that we will be doing our torque productions, and from new factory we will be also doing the 10 ton, 16 ton and 25 ton torque crane in the India itself. So we want all your support for our new factory. Also, we want to cater Indian market and to develop our country with our torque cranes. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amol, for the enlightening presentation. Now, moving ahead, let's learn about the importance of service and through a presentation. And to present it, I would like to call on stage Mr. Mukesh Bisht. So, can we have a huge round of applause? Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mukesh, and we Zoomlion family welcome to all of you in this customer meet. Today, I am presenting the service capabilities of the tower crane department. So, these are the contents: spare part and service network installation, on-site services, service response, and construction cases. So, as you've seen in the map, right now, this is the service point and the warehouse location. Total, right now, we have four number of warehouses and eight service point in across India. That's the part warehouse location in Mumbai, Pune, New Delhi, and Kolkata, and service network station in Mumbai, New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Jajpur, and Guwahati. Right now, we are increasing the service station in the north region also. So for on-site services, we are providing two types of service. One is active service and one is requested service. In active service, we have doing the installation and commissioning of the tower crane, and requested service. If any fault occur in the tower crane, we are providing the request service. So when the tower crane deliver in your site, firstly our service engineer visit your tower crane in the site, and he check all the material are received or not with the tower crane. After that, he check with the local service team and start the installation of the tower crane. And after completing the inspection and commissioning the tower crane, we will provide you the inspection report in hard copy as well as in the email also. And time to time, we are providing the upgrade in your tower crane also. So we also provide the training to our customer also on site. Our service engineer provide training to your local service teams and the operator also. And if customer required, we also provide service in our service point also. So right now we are promoting our Zoomlink app also. In this Zoomlink app, the customer can install in their phone. It is available in iOS and in the Android also. So through Zoomlink, you can track your machine, the machine working hours, and if you are any fault occur, customer can track it through the Zoomlink app. So, for the fast service response, we Zoomline the localization for so our service engineer mostly coordinate with the local service team if any fault occurs in the tower crane, and our service engineer nearby in your area. So if any fault occurs, you can directly call to our service manager, or you can call to our call center. Our service engineer will visit your site and he will troubleshoot your electrical issue of the tower crane and solve it. So this is our service account. We also providing the 24 into 7 quick service. We are providing you the quick service response within 30 minutes and arrive quickly because our service engineer mostly reside in nearby your service station. So if any spare part required for your tower crane, so within 72 hours we are providing it to your sites. We are one-to-one full-time engineer providing to your sites, factory or on-site training we are providing in your tower crane. We are follow of service and is spare part required. We are sell the spare part also. So this is our hotline customer service number. If you can contact here also for your service request. So these are some construction cases. This is the massive 64 ton currently working in the Chandigarh railway station project. So these are 6515 data model. This is presenting, these four unit are presently working in Foxconn iPhone manufacturing plant. So this is 25 ton of tower crane currently working in the Dharavi redevelopment project. This is our model of WA35016 ton. This is presently working in Pune location. So this is the our Laughing Tower crane L155. This is 10 ton tower crane and presently working in the Mumbai. And this is our WA96 ton tower crane presently working in the Ahmedabad region. This is our 25 ton tower crane currently working in the NIT campus Pondicherry location. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Biss, for the amazing presentation. And now, as we are drawing closer towards the end of our today's event, once again, I would like to express my gratitude to all of you for attending today's event. And now I would like to call on stage Mr. Paras for the signing ceremony. So with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Mr. Paras once again on the stage. Okay, so I would like to request Ms. Rachna to kindly bring the signing ceremony form.
Okay, so now I would like to invite Mr. Pramod Joshi from Prashant Logistics to come on the stage for the signing ceremony. Can I have Mr. Pramod Joshi sir here? Okay. Alia contracts.
तालियां बजनी चाहिए, come on. Whoever is coming on the stage, we need to welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Promoter ji sir from Aluwalia Contracts for coming on the stage. Thank you, sir, for giving us an order of around 5 tower cranes, R1300 64 ton, WA701510E for 10 ton, and Zoomline tower crane W60106A. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Prashant from Prashant Logistics to come on the stage for the signing ceremony.
So yes, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome him on the stage. जोरदार तालियों से हम स्वागत करेंगे हमारे next guest का on the stage.
Okay, so now I would like to invite Mr. Navnath on the behalf of Electromat to come on the stage for the signing ceremony. I'm very excited to announce that the order is for WA701510E 1 unit, W96A 2 units, and W95G 2 units. Total 5 orders. Thank you, sir, for the order of 5 units. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Piyush Joshi from Parishi Construction. Mr. Piyush Joshi from Parishi Construction, can we have you on the stage, sir? the order for the Parishi construction is for W96A 4 units and W60106 at 2 units. Total 6 units order. So we thank you all the customers who are present over here and all the customers who have given us the orders. And we really appreciate your presence over here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Rachna. Thank you so much, Mr. Paras. So yes, with this, we come to the end of our formal program. I hope you all had a lovely time with us. So this evening was all about connecting, networking, exchanging ideas, and strengthening our relationships with each other. So yes, once again, I would like to extend my gratitude for your valuable presence and thank you so much for making today's evening this successful. And now the bar is open and you can also have and join us for the sumptuous dinner. So yes, all of you can enjoy the dinner and thank you so much. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you.